In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Gemini as a Windows app. By the end, you'll have Gemini running in its own clean window, just like a desktop program, using your web browser's built-in Install Page as an App feature. Start on your Windows PC with a modern browser such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Make sure it's up to date so the install option appears. Next, go to the Gemini website. Once the page loads, click to sign in and log into your account. If you have more than one account, double-check you're using the one you want for Gemini. You won't need to enter anything beyond your usual sign-in, just keep your credentials private and secure. Now, look to the top right corner of your browser window for the three dots, often called the More menu. Click those three dots to open the full menu. From there, hover to Cast, Save, and Share. This section groups options related to saving and sharing the current page. Within that area, you'll see the option labeled Install Page as App. Go ahead and click Install Page as App. A small confirmation box will pop up to make sure you want to proceed. Click Install. That's it. Your browser will create a standalone app version of the Gemini web page. In a moment, Gemini will open in its own streamlined window without the usual browser tabs and address bar. This helps keep your focus on the tool itself and makes it feel like a native Windows app. From now on, you can open Gemini just like any other application on your computer. It will appear in your Start menu, typically grouped under the browser it was installed from, and it may also show up with its own app name and icon. If you don't see it immediately, use the Windows search bar and type the app name to find it. The experience should be faster to access than navigating through a browser tab every time, and Gemini will continue to use your signed-in account, so you can pick up right where you left off. If the Install Page as App option doesn't appear, make sure you're on the correct Gemini page, that you're signed in, and that your browser is updated. Different browsers may place this option in slightly different spots, but the wording "the Install Page as App" is the key to look for. And that's all you need to do. Enjoy using Google Gemini as a tidy, one-click Windows app.